So since it's been so long since I've boiled a pudding, I did actually go back to basics on this, and it says boil the cloth before you put it in. And I thought, I've never heard that before, but I like the idea. And then we'll use the rest of this to actually do the boiling of the pudding. Delicious cloth soup. Excellent. I will, yeah, haven't really been done, like, when, I can't remember. Oh, no, actually, it would have been for Hans Zimmer or Courtney Barnett. We're up in Sydney, and Shelley and I went to, I feel like it was South African, actually. But I haven't really done much fine dining in Sydney. Coming close. Well, actually, Has Jazz's suggestion of the Lantern Room here is a good one. I think now we've hit up most of the fine places in Canberra. You know, there's new ones popping up all the time, but the sort of established fine dining, I think we've gotten through most of them now, and in some cases more than once. We're in Canberra. Shelley's originally from Brisbane, and yeah, go to Sydney every now and again, and then down to Melbourne every now and again. But yes, Canberra's where it's at this stage. So I mentioned we had surplus, so these are apples harvested from nearby. Hang on a second. I was worried that was a cat battle. No, angst is right there. So Canberra is the national capital. It's on the east coast. It's between Sydney, then you go 3 hours south Canberra, inland a bit, and then Melbourne's towards the bottom. So what's our population? It's like maybe 420,000 or something. Quite a small, very organised city with all the national things. But it's good because it's not as busy and dirty as Sydney or Melbourne, but you can get to Sydney and Melbourne pretty easily. Like, to fly to Sydney is less than an hour. To get to Melbourne, like, just over an hour sort of thing. Nearly 900. Are you sure? 900,000. Don't make me Google that. That doesn't sound right. No. Oh, well, congratulations. And I just feel a bit nervous, like, recommending Australia. Not for any, like, not because there's anything wrong with it. It's just like, no, I'm sure it would. Let's put it this way: everyone who I've known who's come from overseas has enjoyed it. Yeah.